ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Northeast Space Application Center nongs there umyam mantaga sni klapenlong yaga taka jingra khe blatim kum ka National Space Day Haribhoi District kabalong shibenta banaji kai chaphangi jingyo mintoy ki bangila ban penan kam yaki kor ki bor haki hau changa sahid beneng yakani ka jingra khe ka National Space Day lapenlong ha District Library Hall nongpo hakabalawan ban shimbenta du Dr. Joram Beda IAS but Commissioner Secretary ka Sarkar Meghalaya kumukongsan Balasa Khilangru daga jingdon Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi Wabhilash Baranwal Dr. SP Agarwal Director Ganesak berkumjuru ki kena school ni school pher ke Ribhoi lamik officer sarkar Kumanchupin kan ma baya kani ka National Space Day la haban rakhe manla usnem hadi mek India kala ban pinhiar Chandrayaan 3 Vikram jongka Lunar South Polar Region haka applies recognized arajar pholai Bankin mau buram ni kini kam jangga jingjap manus nem ni apulai 3 August lapen mena ku National Space Day daga Sarkar India. Haba jingkran hakani ka si ku mukongsan Dr. Joram Beda ulapen pau ka minsim jangga jingkemen baniyo dan bentalang hakabarakhi kini ka National Space Day bagani ka jingrakhi ya kani ka singi kerpang shpang kita ki jingstart bependan kam ki kor ki bor haki hau kalong ka jing ai minsim bi bon ki samla pule bakini yo minsim bani pule kerpang shpang kani ka kam pule
Then we augmented it, so this is augmented SLV, augmented satellite launch vehicle. Then after that, this one the thing which is most successful, PSLV. Solar satellite launch vehicle. This is our main one. So as you are aware that Chandrayaan 3 was successfully soft landed on the moon on 23rd August 2023. That day only it was decided by Honorable Prime Minister that National Space Day should be organized every year on 23rd August. So to commemorate the day, it is decided that a month-long program should be organized entire country in all states. Northeastern Space Applications Center has been given the responsibility by ISRO to organize events in 8 states of Northeast region as well as the West Bengal. So in Meghalaya, we are organizing this event today. We have invited many schools all across this area. I am happy to tell that more than 300 students from many schools are attending these programs. This program includes a series of lectures where we will tell the students, young students of 10th, 11th and 12th class that what is the space technology and how it can be utilized for the benefit of the humankind. We have launched, we have made that success, but then how it can help the people, and this is the main focus of today's theme. There is a quiz competition also for all the students who are attending this program, so that we should know that how much they know about the space technology and other science and technology. And also, there is a space on wheels, where many rocket models, then satellite models are there, and students are visiting that exhibition, and they will know that what is the different kind of rockets, what are different kind of satellites, and where we can use that those satellites and rockets. Thank you.